This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Luxurious 3-bedroom single-family home with lake views on a secluded lot in Chicks Beach. Enjoy entertaining in this open floor plan featuring a cook's kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Large living/dining area with upscale lighting, custom cabinetry, and a gas fireplace. First floor primary suite with spa-like bathroom opens directly to a private courtyard oasis with an outdoor shower. Third floor bedrooms and bath are a peaceful retreat for relaxation. Other features include 2-zone HVAC, tankless water heater, and an attached 1-car garage. Located at the end of a dead-end street with a private path for the beach access. Current flood insurance premium is only $585 per year. Shown by appointment. For more information, review the details below.